Hello, this is Rahul and today we are going to talk about Mercedes-Benz B-Class. The Mercedes-Benz B-Class Polestar is one of the most strong competitor in the MUV segment of the profitable Indian car market. There has been a sudden spurt in this MUV segment as a few companies have introduced new models. But the latest Mercedes-Benz B-Class seems to have quite a number of mind-blowing and highly developed features which will certainly entice the consumer. Mercedes-Benz is one of the most highly acclaimed and well-known luxury automobile maker across the world. This company is based in Germany and have a scientific fleet of vehicles in the country and also in the global car market. Their vehicles are known for their flawless exterior, lavish interiors, loaded with advanced comfort and safety features for their features and performance-packed engine which deliver impressive power and torque. Mercedes-Benz India is the Indian auxiliary of the multifunctional, multinational luxury automobile maker Daimler AG, which is a Germany-based automotive manufacturer. The company is present in the Indian automobile marketplace since 1994, and they have an extremely refined and sophisticated of cars in the country. One of them is the Mercedes-Benz B-Class Polestar, which is a compact MUV and is the first of its kind to be launched in the Indian automobile market. This compact MUV is the company's first front-wheel drive vehicle, and the company has a lot of expectation from this vehicle. Mercedes-Benz has spurred up this compact multi-purpose and has given it refreshing music. This compact MPV, Mercedes-Benz B-Class Polestar, is one of the most premium cars from the company's estimated standards. Mercedes-Benz is offering this brilliant MPV with some of the most vibrant and lively metallic exterior paint finish, which will give a smooth and glassy look to this excellent vehicle. Some of these colors are the Suburban, Polar, Silver Metallic finish, a Flash Jupiter and red finish option, and then there is excellent and bright, curious white Metallica finish option along with the magnificent jet black finish option as well, which make this MPV look dynamic. This charming Mercedes B-Class Polestar has been fitted with a powerful 1.6-liter turbocharged direct injection fuel supply system based fuel efficiency engine. The company claims that this engine has the ability to generate a healthy mileage in the range of 11 to 14 kmph, which is rather moderate. The company has equipped this Mercedes-Benz B-Class Polestar with some electrifying comfort features, which will certainly amaze the customers. Some of them are brilliant and sleekly designed multimedia information display with a central infotainment controller or central console, which keeps the driver up to date with all the vital information of the vehicle. It has a color display with a brilliant 14.7 cm screen, a completely automatic and powerful air conditioner unit with rear AC vents to cool the cabin without mirror, a multifunctional steering wheel with mountain control button, a phone and audio system. The advanced music system that is on 20 CD radio that has a dual tuner and comfortable and compatibility with MP3, WMA, AAC format and speaker, as well as to enhance to the in-cabin ambience, a comfortable armrest for the driver and front passenger with a storage space beneath it. The windscreen wipers with a rain sensor and one-touch wiper function. Apart from this luxurious function, this Mercedes-Benz B-Class Polestar is also integrated with some of the best in-class safety and protective features as well. Some of these remarkable features prevention assistance, stylish alloy wheels, adjustable seats, and many more such incredible features which will surely make an instant impact on a buyers. So this is the mileage of Mercedes-Benz B-Class. The mileage is decent and the buyers of vehicle like B-Class might not be too much worried about the fuel economy. The company has equipped this compact multi-utility vehicle with a performance pack 1.6-liter turbocharged blue efficiency petrol engine. Has the capacity to generate a good mileage on the Indian road. The advanced stop ignition system will be also very helpful in saving the fuel as well as increasing the mileage. The Mercedes-Benz B-Class Sport car is also equipped with a multi-point fuel injection supply system to further augment the mileage. The company claimed that this engine has the ability to produce healthy mileage of about 11.2 km per liter. When driver under standard condition within the city limits along the heavy traffic, while the same 1595cc base petrol mill can churn out a much better mileage to close to 14.8 kmph when on the bigger roads and highways of the country, which is rather good. So this is the power of Mercedes-Benz B-Class. The power produced by the B-Class might not impress you on paper, but it is very valuable in the real world. This compact Mercedes-Benz B-Class has been fitted with a dominating 1.6-liter turbocharged blue efficiency petrol engine, which has a multi-point fuel injection supply system. This remarkable engine has the ability to displace 1595cc and be fitted with a 4-cylinder and 16 wheels. This powerful petrol engine can easily produce an impressive 22 bhp at 5000 rpm in combination with a holding torque of 200 Nm at 1250 to 4000 rpm. The dominant engine has been cleverly made with a smooth and competent 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission gearbox. So here is the colors of Mercedes-Benz B-Class: Polar Silver, Curious White, Jupiter Red. And after the color, this is the Mercedes-Benz B-Class acceleration and pickup. Despite being 122 bhp, the 7-speed dual-clutch box on the B-Class improves acceleration and the torque speed. The company has equipped this compact MUV with a performance-packed petrol engine and has launched it in Indian car market. The blue efficiency-based petrol engine is very powerful and gives a breathtaking driving experience to all the passengers. And company claimed that this 1.6-liter turbocharged petrol engine can attain a top speed in a range of 185 to 190 km, which is quite remarkable. On the other hand, this commanding petrol engine can also propel this Mercedes-Benz B-Class compact MPV from 0 to 100 km in just about 10.2 seconds, which is quite thrilling. So this is the Mercedes-Benz B-Class exterior. The exterior of this charming compact multi-purpose vehicle are arresting and immensely captivating. This multinational luxury car maker has tried its best to make this vehicle look very appealing by adding a dash of youth and sportiness in it. The front feature of the compact MUV is like a sleek sedan with a sweeping up bonnet and a stylish design front grille that has a lot of chrome treatment on it. This radiator grille also have a globally reputed 3-pointed star. Grille is rather wide and perform matte black colored hose which are in diamond shaped design. This radiator grille is flanked with a large and sleepy design and light cluster that has big power with a high intensity halogen headlamps and also have a daytime running LED lights which add to styliness of this Mercedes-Benz B-Class Sport car. Below this is a body color front bumper that also houses the air dam, which is also perforated and also helps in cooling the engine very quickly. This bumper has been neatly designed and also have been integrated with a pair of bright fog lamps that enhance the visibility of this driver in adverse weather conditions. The front windscreen is quite large and gives the driver a wider view, and it is equipped with a set of efficient intermittent wipers. The side profile of the Mercedes-Benz B-Class is very striking with the mysterious body, line along with the body color, no handle as well as the body color external rear view mirror which has been integrated with the side turn blinkers to add elegance of this Mercedes-Benz B-Class sport tire. The wide edges have been housed with a modest set of newly designed 17 inches 10-spoke light alloy wheels, which have been covered with premium quality tubeless radial hatch of size 255/45 R70 that have superior road grip. The rear end has a bright tail lamp cluster, which has been integrated with a side turn indicator as well as reversing lamps. The rear windscreen is quite big and has a defogger along with a wash and wipe system as well, which further adds to the convenience of the driver. Then these compact MUV also have a rear spoiler, which is adding to the sportiness of this vehicle. The rear tailgate is sleek and stylish done up, while the rear body color bumper also has reverse parking sensors embedded on it. All these striking features combined together are making this Mercedes-Benz B-Class sports tire look lively and energetic from all angles. Exterior measurement of Mercedes-Benz B-Class. The Mercedes-Benz B-Class sport tire is very spacious vehicle and it has a lot of room inside to fit in 5 people in with ace. The total length of the compact MUV is about 4,359 mm along with the overall wide width of 1,786 mm, which also includes the external rear-view mirror. Then the total height of this Mercedes-Benz B-Class sport tire is about 1,557 mm with a large and a roomy wheelbase of around 2,699 mm, which ensure ample legroom along with the apt shoulder and head space as well. This compact MUV has a massive centrally mounted fuel tank that can store up to 50 liters of petrol as well as in it. The luggage compartment offers a roomy space of close to 666 liters, and this can be increased to a whopping 1545 liters if the rear seats are completely folded, which is quite incredible. And this Mercedes-Benz B-Class sport tire can put up quite few things inside the large boot space. This is the Mercedes-Benz B-Class interior. The B-Class is spacious and it gets a new instrument panel that will be seen on the next generation Mercedes-Benz. Both the rows have decent space. The insides of Mercedes-Benz B-Class compact MUV of arresting the lavishly done up. The seating arrangement of the vehicle is very lavish with a clean, easy Vario Plus system, which has folding rear seat backrest that can be split into integrated engagement verification indicator and can accommodate 5 passengers effortlessly and give them ample space to relax. The seats are luxurious and are covered with a premium quality Artico upholstery and have a trim elements in a matrix look. The power steering wheel, gear shift lever as well as the handbrake is a small leather package and are covered with high quality leather. The interior surfaces are amazingly smooth and are made up of top class plastic material, which all without last very long and extremely sturdy. The central console developed elegantly and gives this MUV a high class and sober look. It has a large main screen with many console and front armrest makers. Driver more comfortable. Powerful stereo system has varied input options and speaker as well. There are quite a few storage spaces as well as in this Mercedes-Benz B-Class sport tire, which can accommodate more than a few things, which can come very handy to passenger. While traveling, there is a large glove box, a few cup of bottles, cup of water holders, and map pockets. Behind the front seat, along with sun visual with mirror for the driver, as well as for the front side passenger. The rear windows of this compact MUV are heat insulted as well as dark tinted for added comfort for the back seat passenger. This is the interior comfort. This is an expensive MUV from this reputed fleet of Mercedes-Benz in this country, and this extraordinary vehicle has been bestowed with some of the most thrilling of comfort features. List includes a playback and sleekly designed multimedia information display with a central infotainment controller or central console, which keeps the driver up to date with all the vital information of the vehicle. It has color display with a brilliant 14.7 cm screen, a completely automatic and powerful air conditioning unit with rear AC vents to cool the cabin within minute. A multifunctional steering wheel with mounted control buttons, a phone and audio system. The advanced music system, that is an Audio 20 CD radio that has a dual tuner and is compatible with MP3, WMA, AAC formats and speaker as well as to enhance in-cabin ambience. A Bluetooth interface with hand-free function and audio streaming for music transfer, telephone keypad, a central information controller on central console, a radio aerial storage space, a radio aerial integrated into a roof spoiler, a comfortable armrest for the driver and front passenger with a storage space beneath it. The windscreen wipers have rain sensor which activates them automatically and also have a one-touch wipe function. All these and many other such highly developed features which have been integrated in this Mercedes-Benz B-Class sports car, which will certainly make this MUV one of the best-selling vehicles in the Indian automobile bazaar. Interior measurement of Mercedes-Benz B-Class. The interior of this Mercedes-Benz R-Class and lavish with a luxuriant and relaxing seats, which provide ample legroom along with apt head and shoulder space to all the occupants. These roomy vehicles can take a 5-passenger with AC in it and give it a very relaxing and luxuriant driving experience. These comfortable seats also have 4-way lumbar support, which makes the driving experience extremely pleasurable. The front and the rear knee room is also adequate along with the ample elbow room for all passengers as well. The boot compartment is also very spacious, can take and require a few things, while the rear seats can be adjusted and folded according to the requirements to generate even more space for bringing in quite a few bigger things as well in it. This is the Mercedes-Benz B-Class engine and performance. The 1.6-liter turbo petrol engine is one of the few petrol engines with direct injection. To extract maximum performance, one has to rev the engine a bit harder. The company has equipped in Mercedes-Benz B-Class compact MUV with dominating 1.6-liter turbocharged low-efficiency base petrol engine, which has a multi-point fuel injection supply system along with direct injection. The remarkable petrol mill has been equipped with 4-cylinder and 16 valves along with a dual overhead camshaft DOHC. This performance-packed petrol engine has the ability to displace close to 1595 cc, which is quite remarkable for the Indian road and traffic conditions. This powerful petrol mill can easily produce an outstanding 122 bhp at 5000 rpm in combination with a powering torque of 200 Nm at 1250 to 4000 rpm, which is very incredible. This dominant petrol motor has been cleverly made with a smooth and competent 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission gearbox that gives smooth and efficient gear changes at regular intervals. The top speed of this Mercedes-Benz B-Class compact MPV is said to be close to 190 km/h, and the expensive MUV takes about 3.2 seconds to cross the 100 km/h barrier from a standstill, which is quite thrilling. This is the stereo and accessories of Mercedes-Benz B-Class. The accessories list on the B-Class is also high as it gets navigation, reverse parking camera, etc. The company has taken good care of in-cabin entertainment quotient for all the passengers, which will ensure a relaxing and comfortable driving experience. This Mercedes-Benz B-Class MUV has been restored with a built-in and slickly designed multimedia information display with a central infotainment controller on central console, which keeps the driver up to date with all the vital information of the vehicle. It has also color display with a brilliant 14.7 cm screen. Then there is a multifunctional steering wheel with mounted control buttons or phone for receiving, disconnecting and rejecting calls, an audio system, volume controlling, changing the tracks and changing the bar mode, which further enhance the comfort level of the driver. The advanced music system, that is an audio 20 CD radio that has a dual tuner and is compatible with MP3 WMV AC format. This music system has an integrated CD player along with the speakers to enhance to the in-cabin ambience along with the remote control as well. This audio unit also has a Bluetooth interface with hands-free function and audio streaming for music transformation, telephone keypad, a central infotainment controller or central console, a radio element integrated into the roof spoiler and other such input options including a USB port and an aux interface as well. This is the wheel of Mercedes-Benz B-Class. Company designer have neatly carved out the pronounced wheel arches of this compact vehicle and have restored them with a set of classic alloys, which adds to the sportiness of this MUV. Mercedes-Benz B-Class sports tires have been fitted with a set of refined and exclusive LMR 7-spoke design light alloy wheels, which are of 18 inches. These stylish alloy rims have been further covered with a set of steering and robust tubeless radial tires of size 225/40 R18, which give a superior road grip on wide terrain. The company has also equipped this compact multi-utility vehicle with a full-size spare wheel, which have been affixed in the luggage compartment, along with all the other tools required for changing it when required. So this is the braking and handling of Mercedes-Benz B-Class. The handling of the B-Class is decent, however, it cannot be compared to any other SUV in the segment. It has a certain amount of body roll in it. The company has given this MUV a well-studied braking system along with a steering suspension mechanism as well. The front of the rear wheels, a formidable Mercedes-Benz B-Class compact MUV, has also fitted with a disc brake along with a highly developed adaptive braking technology, which takes care of the vehicle of any road and keeps it under the proper control of the driver. Along with this, Mercedes-Benz B-Class compact MUV has also been integrated with an advanced ABS anti-locking braking system with brake assist as well as anti-skid control as well as which further enhance braking capabilities of this multi-purpose vehicle on any terrain. On the other hand, the company has also equipped this Mercedes-Benz B-Class with a robust suspension system which keeps it well balanced on any road condition. The front axle of this compact MUV gets a MacPherson strap type of mechanism, while the rear end gets a special designed four-link mechanism, which assists in keeping this MUV stable and under the control of the driver. This is the handling and safety of Mercedes-Benz B-Class. The safety features on the B-Class are plenty, and it gets 7 airbags, which is first in the segment. And other safety features include ABS. Mercedes-Benz B-Class compact MUV is one of the most expensive and highly admired vehicle in the country. The company has given the premium Mercedes-Benz B-Class Sportster MUV with some very striking features such as extremely responsive power steering, which makes it easier to maneuver this vehicle in heavy traffic as well. Then there is the advanced ABS and anti-lock braking system with an acceleration speed control for enhanced braking along with brake assist, which further augment and braking system. Apart from this, there is the advanced attention assist and adaptive braking technology. This compact MUV also has an ESP, electronic stability program, a tire pressure loose warning system as well as a collision control system for better handling as well as safety. Then there is a hill start assist long control system for with a hold function. Parking sensor that helps to park this vehicle without any difficulty. Power door locks, child safety, lock for the rear doors, a highly advanced engine immobilizer, central locking with remote keyless entry along with some other highly developed pedestrian system as well. So this is the full specification and review of Mercedes-Benz B-Class. Thank you for watching this.